Hey guys, this is Lucy with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the table without deleting the text in it. So first, open your Word file in your laptop, and here you can see the table. There are texts in it. What you need to do is you just need to click on this button right here, the arrows button in the square, and you will see a new tab in the tab sections right here, table design and table layout. Click on table layout and you will see this option in the data ribbon, convert to text. It will open this dialog box for you. You can separate the text with paragraphs, tabs and commas. Choose according to your preference and click on OK. And you're done. Your table is removed, but your text is still there. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.